Hi guys, in this video I'll share with you the quick ways to create a beautiful wind effect background. First, I have a stunning green leaf photo. We are going to add wind effect to it. Right click to background layer and choose convert to smart object so we can modify it non-destructively. Go to filter, style, wind. Method, stagger, direction from the left. Okay. We'll repeat this step to add more wind effect to it. Luckily, Photoshop now remember this step, so we just need to go to filter and choose wind at the top or use shortcut Ctrl-Alt-F. Just keep repeating this step until the whole image is completely blurred. After that, right-click to background layer and choose Rasteri Layer. Head to image rotation, 90° log-wise. Change color of it to the one that you like. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Move the slider in hue to change color. I'll make it more purple. Next, we'll take this stock to our project. As usual, I will leave all the stock at the link in the description so that you guys can freely download and go through the whole tutorial with me step by step. Ctrl or Command T to expand it until the man in the middle of the document. Now, we'll remove the background and keep the foreground, which is the man and the mountains. Since it is in black, we'll use color range to take the selection. Go to select, color range, make sure to choose shadow. Adjust version and range to the point that you see the subject is all white except background. OK. Go to select, modify, contrast, choose pixels. Click to layer mask icon to cut the selection to layer mask and see the result. Let's add motion blur to the background. In layer 0, go to filter, blur, motion blur. Angle 90°, distance 138 pixels. OK. In case you want to change the color of background, just double click in hue saturation layer and change the color in hue. Main part is done. We are going to decorate it with text. Pick up text tool and type any text that you want. You can choose color of text in foreground color before typing or in character window. Tips: to expand the size from the center, hold Shift Alt while dragging out. Change text layer to rasterize so that we can change the perspective of it. If you want to make the subject go through the text, hold Ctrl and click to the text to take the selection of it first. Move to layer mask. Use brush with black in the foreground and paint to remove the part of his leg, just to make him behind the text. This way make you feel more depth in the image. There you go. That's all for the tutorial. Hope that you like this video. If you do, hit like and subscribe button. Thanks a lot.